Today we will introduce you to a charming detached house plan with an estimated construction cost of approximately 55 square meters. The exterior of the house stands out with a modern and elegant architectural concept. The use of grouts on the facade provides a harmonious and contemporary appearance. The large windows employed in the architecture maximize the entry of natural light into the interior, bringing the outdoor scenery inside. This creates an organic connection between the indoor spaces and the outside world. Upon entering, it offers a warm family environment with 2 bedrooms and an open kitchen living room. Let's first take a look at the cozy and bright living room. Utilizing natural light to the fullest through large windows, it creates a spacious and inviting atmosphere. In the kitchen, a simple design and functionality have been considered to provide an area where you can use all spaces efficiently. The budget you need to allocate for the construction of this house is detailed in the explanations section with the current cost. You can visit our link in the description for all visuals and application plan measurements of this plan. Stay tuned for the latest house models and updated costs by following us.